Hello, welcome to Family Cooking. Today I'm going to prepare a keema out of bitter gourd and minced beef. Usually kids or teenagers do not prefer bitter gourd much. Of course it's because of its bitterness. But if you make bitter gourd along with some meat items, it would help to reduce its bitterness and they may also change their concept about bitter gourd. So let's get it started. So I've taken 500 grams of bitter gourd, thoroughly washed, and have also cleaned the inside of it. Now let's cut them into slices. I've also taken one large size onion. I would slice that as well. I have known people rubbing salt over bitter gourd or soaking it in salty water in order to remove the bitterness of the bitter gourd. So what they eventually do is they just squeeze out the juice that comes out of bitter gourd. But doing this, what I personally think is that we would lose its nutritional value. So I do not follow these steps. Instead, what we do at home is we add lots of green chilies to it. So lots more or even double that we would usually do while cooking any other veggies. What this helps is it removes the bitterness of bitter gourd and at the same time it subsides the spiciness of the chilies as well. So by adding lots of green chilies, your dish ultimately would not be too spicy but just the right. Now I have taken equal amount of bitter gourd and minced beef, that is 500 grams each. So if you do not prefer beef, you can also make this dish out of minced chicken, mutton, or even with the plant-based vegetables which is now available in the market. So now let's firstly add some onions to our bitter gourd. So since I have used one large size of onion, I am using only half of it. But if you are using a medium sized onion, you can just add one onion to the bitter gourd. Along with it, I am adding 6 to 7 of green chilies, roughly sliced. Now let's saute them all in a pan. Once the pan is heated up, just adding a bit of oil to saute our bitter gourd, sliced onion and chilies. Once the bitter gourd is lightly cooked, I add in some salt. So I do not add salt initially because once the bitter gourd cooked a bit, it absorbs the salt much easier and well. So I add in salt once the bitter gourd is done a bit. We do not really need to fry the bitter gourd, just a bit saute it. Our bitter gourd is all done and is taken out in a bowl. Now in another pan, let's heat up some oil and add in some mustard seeds. Once the mustard seed has spluttered, adding in 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, finely chopped. Sauteing a bit. Onion, one medium sized. I'm using the half which I have kept aside. Curry leaves. Ginger paste, 2 teaspoons. Saute them all together for a while. And now we would add our minced beef, the 500 gram of minced beef. Mix them all well together. I've turned the gas into low flame. And once they are all mixed together, I would cover and cook it for 5 minutes. Let's cover and cook it for 5 minutes. Do not add any additional amount of water to it, as minced beef would leave out some water which would be enough for it to cook. 5 minutes are done. Let's open and see how it is. The beef looks almost done now. If you look, the color has been changed, so it looks almost done. Now let's add in some salt and other masalas to our beef. Some salt as per taste. Adding 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Kashmiri chili powder. You may add 1/4 to half teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder. I'm using Kashmiri chili powder just to add in the color. So I don't want additional spice. So I'm not using the usual chili powder, just the Kashmiri chili powder. Garam masala. I'm adding half teaspoon of garam masala to it. This is powdered fennel seeds. So usually garam masala has fennel seeds powdered as well. But adding additional fennel seed powder to the meat gives its additional flavor. So I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of fennel seed powder. Adding meat masala. This is optional as well. Because I'm making a meat item, I usually prefer to add meat masala to it. So if you have meat masala, do add it. Otherwise, it's optional. So I'm adding 3/4 teaspoon of meat masala to it. Mix them all together well, keeping in mind that the gas remains in low flame. Add in 1 chopped tomatoes. Giving it a good mix. Now I would cover this for another 2 to 3 minutes. I'm covering it so that the tomatoes leaves out its juices and we would be able to mash the tomatoes easily. So let's cover and cook it for additional 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, if we see the tomatoes have left all the juices out, and we could easily mash them. Now I'm adding in some chopped coriander leaves and chopped mint leaves. So adding mint leaves to meat items gives an additional flavor and also helps to remove the odor out of the meat. So I do prefer to add mint leaves to all my meat items. So adding in some chopped mint leaves. Giving a good mix. Now let's add in our bitter gourd, which we had sorted and kept aside. Now let's mix them all well together. If you're liking my video, please do not forget to subscribe it. And if you press the bell icon, you will be notified of all my new videos. Now once they are well mixed together, let's cover and cook it for additional 2 to 3 minutes. So that all the spices and salt that we have added would get into the bitter gourd. So after 2 to 3 minutes, let's open and see how it looks. It looks really yummy. So the spices, the bitter gourd and minced beef are all well binded with each other. So all we have to do now is give it a good mix. And for the final bit, let's add in some chopped spring onions to it. Our keema with bitter gourd and minced beef is all ready. Now let's get it into a serving plate.